Good morning, class 2. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and reading, learning, revising all the things at your homes. Very good, students. So, as we know, our formatives have been started. So, tomorrow is our English paper and we have to revise our English in our class only. So, today we will do a revision worksheet of English. Okay, so all of you take out your English literature fair notebook. Which notebook beta? English literature fair notebook. Yes, all of you take out your English literature fair notebooks, one pencil, one eraser, all the things are nearby you. Yes. So what we will do today, we will solving the worksheet in our class only. If you face any kind of issue, any kind of query in learning any word or in understanding any word, you can ask me. Okay, beta. So our first question is give, the, meanings, of, the, words. Give the meanings of the words. मतलब क्या हुआ इसका, जो यहाँ पे वर्ड्स लिखे हैं उसके हमें क्या लिखने हैं बेटा, मीनिंग्स लिखने हैं. व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू राइट द मीनिंग्स. सो आवर फर्स्ट वर्ड इज strange. What is it? Strange. strange. So what we have studied in our class, what is the meaning of strange? Yes, not KNOWN. not KNOWN. Meaning, what is the meaning of this? मतलब जिसको हम जानते नहीं. Strange मतलब जिस चीज को हम जानते नहीं हैं. So our second word is TEACH. What is teach? What is this? Teach means instruct. 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 What is this? Instruct means किसी को कुछ समझाना. So have you done, all of you? Shall we move to our next part? Yes. So our next question is WRITE, right? TRUE, true. or FALSE, false, right? True or false. What is the meaning of true or false? True means जो correct होता है and false is जो wrong होता है. Okay बेटा? Shall we move? Okay. INNTHE, the, END, end. In the end. End means ये वाला end कौन सा होता है? END, end मतलब लास्ट में यानी आखिरी में. ANITA, अनीता. TEACHES, teaches. TO2 SMILE, smile. AND, and. BEBHAPPY, happy. In the end, Anita teaches to smile and be happy. लास्ट चैप्टर के लास्ट में अनीता ने सबको क्या समझाया था कि सब खुश रहो, स्माइल करते रहो, हंसते रहो और खुश रहो. तो ये स्टेटमेंट ट्रू है कि फॉल्स? ट्रू मीन्स करेक्ट. व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ ट्रू? TRUE, ट्रू. व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ ट्रू? TRUE, ट्रू. Yes. So our next part is INNTHE, the, TOWN, town. Town means शहर. EVERY, everyone. ONE, everyone means सब, हर कोई. FROWNS, फ्रोन्स. ANITA, अनीता. हमने क्या पढ़ा था चैप्टर में? जो नियर टाउन में अनीता आई थी, सब अनीता पे क्या कर रहे थे? फोन कर रहे थे. तो ये स्टेटमेंट ट्रू है कि फॉल्स? यस, दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू. TRUE, TRUE ट्रू, ये स्टेटमेंट तो सही है। उस नए टाउन में सारे अनीता के ऊपर फ्रोन कर रहे थे, यानी गुस्से से देख रहे थे ना सब। आपने पढ़ाया है, चैप्टर बहुत इजीली है। यस, नाउ मूव ऑन टू पेज नंबर 2. So all of you noted down all these things. Any problem in all this? Not known. Instruct. TRUE true. TRUE true. Now we will come to our page number 2. Which page number we have come here? 2. So now what we will do? Yes. What is the question number 3 is saying? ANSWER answer. THE the. QUESTION question. Answer the question. यानी जो मैंने questions दिए हैं उसके क्या देने हैं सबको? Answers. Very good. So shall we move to our first part, beta? Any problem in this? Okay. Now our first part is WHAT. What is it? What? DOES does. ANITA Anita. DO do. WHEN when. SHE she. MEETS meets. THE the. STRANGE strange. MAN man. What does Anita do when she meets the strange man? जब अनीता उस स्ट्रेंज मैन से मिली थी, स्ट्रेंज मैन मतलब जिसको हम जानते नहीं, तो उसने क्या किया? अनीता ने क्या किया था? Everyone knows, I know that. You have read the chapter very easily. Yes, she makes him smile. उसने उसको भी हंसना सिखा दिया था. SHE she. MAKEX makes. HIM him. SMILE. What is the answer? SHEMAKES makes. HIM him. SMILE smile. She makes him smile, and at the end what we will put? Full stop. अनीता ने उसको भी स्माइल करना सिखा दिया था. Done बेटा? Done question number 1. Shall we move to our next part? Yes. So our next part is WHAT what. DOES does. EYERY every. ONE DO do. INN THE the. NEW new. TOWN town. What does everyone do in the new town? जितने लोग टाउन में रहते थे वो क्या करते थे? सबने चैप्टर पढ़ा है, सबने क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भी करे हैं. नाउ टेल मी, क्या करते थे सब? फ्रोन करते थे. क्या करते थे? फ्रोन. So our answer is EVERYONE. EVERYONE everyone. WAS was. FROWN frown. INN THE the. NEW new. TOWN town. Full stop. What is this? Everyone was thrown in the new town. सब क्या थे? सब गुस्से से देखते थे सबको. कैसे देखते थे? गुस्से से. EVERYONE everyone. WAS was. F-R-O-W-N, frown. I-N-N, T-H-E, the. N-E-W, new. T-O-W-N, town. Everyone was thrown in the town. And what was the first part? What does Anita do when she meets the strange man? क्या करा था जब अनीता स्ट्रेंज मैन से मिली थी? Yes, उसने उसको भी हंसना सिखा दिया था. She makes him smile. What does everyone do in the new town? Everyone was thrown in the new town. सब क्या रहते थे? गुस्सा. क्या रहते थे? गुस्सा. Very good. So our third question is also completed. So this is our last part. Which part? Last part. So beta, have you done both the parts, upper one? Any problem in this? Okay beta, now our last question is M-A-K-E, make, S-E-N-T-E-N-C-E-S, sentences. Make sentences. हमें क्या करना है? सेंटेंस बनाना है. अब आपको मैंने बताया था सेंटेंस कैसे बनेगा. जो हमें वर्ड दिया हुआ है, इस वर्ड को लेकर हमने एक सेंटेंस फ्रेम करना है, लेकिन ये वर्ड उस सेंटेंस में ज़रूर होना चाहिए. बताया था ना मैंने आपको. वेरी गुड. सो फर्स्ट वर्ड इज MELTS. व्हाट इज इट? मेल्ट्स. मेल्ट्स यानी पिघलना. सो आइसक्रीम, ICECREAM, आइसक्रीम. MELTS, melts. IN, summers. SUMMERS, summers. आइसक्रीम melts in summers. आइसक्रीम जो होती है वो समर में पिघलती है ना जब हम लाते हैं तो. Yes. So we have done our first part. Shall we come to our next part? Yes, our last part is SMILE, smile. What is it? Smile. What is it? What we will do? Smile. SMILE, smile. Makes, MAKEX, makes. EVERYONE, everyone. HAPPY, happy. What is it? Smile makes everyone happy. अब हमने ये मेल्ट से बनाया था तो मेल्ट को अंडरलाइन करेंगे, और इसमें हमने स्माइल से बनाया तो स्माइल को अंडरलाइन करेंगे. बताया था ना मैंने आपको, जिससे हम बनाएंगे उसको हमने वर्ड को अंडरलाइन करना ज़रूरी है. Yes. So we have done our worksheet. So if you face any query in solving this worksheet, then you can ask me, and beta, try to solve it by your own. Don't take anyone's help. Okay beta? Now you have to do this worksheet in your fair notebooks, fair English notebooks. So we will be meeting in our next class. For this much for today's class. So okay, bye bye class.